involved in politics, before I got involved in being part of political setup or even going to become a politician, I'm involved in helping to build better humanity. Yeah. I've been the most powerful part of the world. From Rwanda to Afghanistan to everywhere there's been a problem in the world, I was there. So I didn't just start going around because I entered politics. I recall as a governor, as a serving governor of my state, I went to President Jonathan and said, I want to go to Haiti. He said, what are you going to Haiti to do? I said, they have earthquake. I want to go there. He said, why? I said, that's what I used to do in my private life while I was not in politics. I go to wherever there's problem. And as I'm talking to you, Mr. President, I withdraw my only son from school because I'm going to go to Haiti to help them to review because I have earthquake. Because it is my belief that the only reason God created us and in a way blessed us and given us some grace is to use it to help humanity.
Yes, sir.
Anything short of that, you're wasting your time.
Yes.
And that's the purpose. So I'm here because of that. We are not campaigning now. We're not looking for votes. So for me today, I came and like His Grace said, I was the one who asked him, do you have school of nursing?